A.
It may be dream.
Answer has been given. Time also is over. And यह बात सच हो सकती है. Somebody who can say out of this. They say it's okay. It may be true. So give them 10 marks. Audience opinion. Audience opinion. It's okay. तुम्हारा जो मन करे कर सकते हो.
Whatever you want, you can do.
Whatever you want, you can do. 10 marks are there for you. वह निस्सहाय होगा.
He may be helpless.
Somebody out of the audience? He will be helpless, not me. अगर मैं कहते हैं तो वह निस्सहाय हो सकता है. ओके, संभव है वह निस्सहाय हो. संभव है वह निस्सहाय हो. तो this may be that he is helpless. But then here वह निस्सहाय होगा. He will be helpless. Though we forgot to pass it, but then now I'll not pass any of the questions here. They will act as on. Okay, team D. So team C doesn't get any marks. Team D. Be careful, go slow, think well, think each of the words and the implied meaning of it.
Why he is always sick?
Why?
He always sick. He always remains sick.
Marks cannot be given. Now I'll pass this to audience.
Why he always happy?
Why?
Why he always
Just a minute.
Sir, why do he always have fever?
Anybody else?
Why he is always suffering from fever?
Somebody else?
Why don't he fall sick?
No. Somebody else?
Why he always has fever?
No.
Why he always suffers from fever?
Why?
He always suffers from fever.
Maybe. Now other teams, no marks will be given, but a pen will definitely come to you.
He always remains sick.
Let's see, look at the difference. Between
Why
the
he always remains sick? Why he
English
always
language है ये, ध्यान दे.
Why he always suffer from fever?
It was your. Why does he? Let's see. Why does he always suffer from fever? Why does he always suffer from fever? It's okay. How can you use do? Some of these students they try also, but then they use do. Why does he always? एक मिनट, ये अब सोच रहे होंगे कि वो दिया हुआ है हमने, वो जो देने वाला है वो भी ऐसे ही कोई होगा, कोई खास बात नहीं. That is not a proper answer. Many of these answers they will be just out of the way. हाँ, किसका कारण है?
जी.
Team. All 4 rounds, all 4 teams they have been asked one. Okay, now team A. वह कल गांव से आया. Be careful. Literally, it has to be translated.
He came from village yesterday.
He came from village yesterday. That is fine. Then marks are there. उसे बुखार हो गया था. again now.
He had suffered from fever.
He had suffered from fever. Yes, Mark can be given, but the same should have been spoken. He had fever. That's it. He had fever. It's okay. Next, marks are given. Team B gets the mark. कल मुझे 5 दिन की छुट्टी नहीं.
Kindly grant me leave for 5 days.
Kindly grant me leave for 5 days. Team C, मिलजुल कर रहो. मिलजुल कर रहो.
Stay together.
Stay together. मिलजुल कर रहो है. इकट्ठे रहो होता है. ध्यान दें. इसको चेंज नहीं करना भी. इन्होंने कहा है stay together. उसकी हिंदी बताओ. साथ रहो. इकट्ठे रहो. मिलजुल कर रहो. ये तो नहीं कहा ना. तो गलत है. मार्क्स नहीं आ सकते. ओके. और मैंने ये कहा था कि आपको पास होगा ये. अच्छा ओके. स्टे यूनाइटेड भी नहीं है. स्टे यूनाइटेड की क्या होगी? स्टे यूनाइटेड की नो मत प्रॉपर. हाँ. Live in harmony. Yes. House master says so. And come. I'll give you one small pen. You can use it for correction. अच्छे वाला पेन दो. आपके हाउस मास्टर हैं. दूसरा पेन होगा. I got my own pen. I'll hand over that.
It's there, sir.
Is there?
There.
Did you see that difference? Live in harmony. Live in harmony. That is what मिलजुल के रहो. Okay? Fine. Next. उसका मुंह नीला पड़ गया. किसका टर्न है?
ठीक.
A. Which round it is? Third round. Okay, third round. Team A gets it. उसका मुंह नीला पड़ गया.
His face turned pale.
His face turned pale also and blew up. It's same. Very good. Next. मुसीबत ही मुसीबत है. Difficulty cannot be an answer. मुसीबत ही मुसीबत. Pardon?
Many difficulties are there.
नहीं है. ये थोड़ा सा स्टिल बेटर है. But then second chance cannot be given. हाँ, मुसीबत ही मुसीबत है. Not trouble is trouble. ये इसको हिंदी वाले अपने आइडियाज को निकाल दें अपने माइंड में. और इसलिए कहते समटाइम्स यू मस्ट हैव सीन ना. जैसे हिंदी वाले आपसे पूछते हैं आपका नाम क्या है. फिर कहते हैं आपका शुभ नाम क्या है. ऐसा भी सुना है ना. एंड इंग्लिश जो हम ऐसे कहते हैं व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम. See how bad it is. Do you understand the meaning of this? What's your good name? Do you understand the meaning? Do you understand? पता है या should I tell you? That means one English language is very tacit and clear. What's your name? That's it. Not good name. That implies, that indicates that there are many names attached to you. And you have got plenty of other kind of characteristics of yours. तो कभी नहीं कहते ऐसा. Don't think you are being humble asking this, what's your good name? No. You are being rude to somebody. It's an insult to somebody once you ask what's your good name. It's an insult to that person. and then it's an indication that you don't understand language also. कई बार कह रहे हैं different answers. Now, different answers. That is sufficient. It's okay. There are different answers, not different answers. There is no language of this nature. Okay, now musibat hi musibat hai. Say, don't worry. Trouble?
Trouble is trouble.
Sentence तो नहीं बना बेटे. Trouble.
Difficulties are difficulties itself.
इसका मीनिंग समझो. There is no end to difficulty. There are infinite difficulties. There is a chain of difficulty. You solve one difficulty, another one comes to you. That is the meaning of it. Is okay? Or there are a lot of troubles. That's it. There are plenty of trouble. So many answers could be there. Okay.